Hello people, welcome to your channel. If you are new to my channel, please make sure to click the subscribe button and press the bell icon. So today's discussion will be how to select stocks and which sector we should choose. So guys, for that we just need to click here and just have to click Nifty 50 and so Nifty 50 divided by Nifty IT and press enter. Is we are comparing IT sector with the Nifty 50. As we can see, so this was a fall, so this is nothing but a bearish fall, and as of now this is moving in a sideways direction. So unless we cross these ranges, so this will be the trading range for Nifty IT stocks. So this is how you can make analysis, and we can also do something like this. If we get a breakout and if we expect price to come to this point, so we can select some of the stocks belonging to IT sector which are going to give breakout, so that will give very good move to the upside. So this is about IT sector. Now let me select Nifty Pharma. Nifty Pharma. As you can see, in monthly chart, it has made lower low and it has made a pullback. So, and this is the important zone. So, according to my analysis, we can expect a fall from this zone. So, if you are expecting fall from this zone, you can select stocks from pharma sector which are very weak. I will tell you how to select stocks from pharma sector also. But if you want to select the sector, this is how we need to select. We need to compare it Nifty 50 and then choose the sector, so that we can know which sector is strong and which sector is weak. So let me give you another example. So let me select Nifty Auto. So let me select Nifty Auto. As you can see, this is the as you can see, we are comparing Nifty Auto with Nifty 50. So if I apply Fibonacci, so this is the 0.5 zone and this is the 0.618 zone. So we can expect price to come up to this point. So if I consider this will give a breakout, we can select stocks from Nifty Auto which are very strong, so that those stocks will give very good move in the future. So this is how we need to compare sector to the Nifty 50 and select which sector is strong and which sector is weak. So in the next videos, I will show you how to select stocks comparing the sectors. So this video was exclusively to consider which sector to choose and which sector not to choose. So if you like this content, please like, share and comment. Thank you.